How to install Lex app queer and LGBTQ plus friends. So this is the app which focuses on basically just finding friends in this in this social space. It's not like a dating app, I guess. So it's more like Porp app or Bees app, whatever there is in this category. And then you can just go in here and then you can just sign up and then easily create your account just with your phone number. And that's the idea. Write post to find your community, chat with friends, join local groups and events. So that's what it is. I guess this app is mostly available in US. In other regions it won't have that many users. But yeah, it's been quite high in the charts recently. So definitely worth for you to try out.